Hey everybody, I am here to revamp this adorable little crow that I've had for years and years, probably 32 years. And I got him at a boutique and I've decorated with him many years in the fall, and as you can see, his eyes are off. The little part of his stand is kind of wonky, and he just needs some serious love. So what I'm going to do, because he is so cute, I'm going to revamp him, and how I'm going to do it is with none other than the Mackenzie Child look. Now I think I'm going to leave the straw hat as a straw hat, and I'm not going to mess with it. But what I want to do first is the eyes that he had were these size eyes, okay? I'm not sure, but I think I'm going to put these big Google eyes, the real big ones, on him. I just think it's cute. So that's what I'm going to do for the eyes. And then I was messing around with this and I was cutting out around him to make a pattern. And what I did first with this paper from Hobby Lobby, I was going to make it all the courtly check, but I think I'm going to only do the bottom part, keep this part black. I just think it's too much. I mean, it's cute with the eyes, but to me it's just a little bit too much. And I'm going to redo the beak in another, either another pattern, or I think I might do this black with white and black polka dots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and just mark off where I want this to end, which is just about here. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm going to do it this way, but I don't want to glue this down yet. I'm going to go over this with black again just to give it a fresh paint job, and do the beak black and the feet, I believe. So I'm going to use black gesso. So we have it all painted, so it's nice and freshly painted. And the base that it was on, look at this. I mean, now keep in mind, like I told you, over 30 years old, and it used to have moss on it. So it's too hard to get off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and paint over it because I'm gonna put something else on it. So you're not even gonna notice that. So I'm just gonna use some of the gesso, come in here and just paint over it. And once all this is dry, we'll start putting it together. here is our new crow. I am in love with him. I think he is adorable. He has a new lease on life. Nothing like making something old into a Mackenzie child decor piece. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this. Take something that you have that you thought you might throw out or get rid of and just look at it with different eyes and give it new life. Till we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.